The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents. Please welcome, Mr. Destiny.
I am Mr. Destiny. I am your host. I am also known as Fate, Providence, Karma, and the Future. More recently, I have been associated with the law of psycho-cybernetics and the law of attraction. My power is based on laws of nature. I am not a figment of your imagination, I am scientifically proven to work. In this video, you are about to discover several things about me that you may not be aware of. I will also be sharing a few secrets that you can use to help yourself to attract those things that you desire, such as power, health, and wealth. Some people think of me as unattainable, unachievable, or impossible. The good news is that they are wrong. Many people are unaware that I am already working for you. I am already at your service. My job is to take you where you want to go. That is what I do. But wait, if I am already taking you where you want to go, why are you not yet rich? If I am so powerful, if I am already in your employ, if I am capable of manifesting wealth, why are you not yet rich? My answer is going to change your life. Are you ready to change your life? Remember, it is my job to take you where you want to go. So, you need to begin by letting me know. Just like a cab driver. In order to take you to your destination, I need an address or a location, and that location needs to be precise. It needs to be exact.
Mr. Destiny, Mr. Law of Attraction. What you are saying is that to attract wealth, to manifest wealth, or whatever else I want to manifest, the first thing I need to do is to figure out exactly what I want. Is that right?
We will talk more about that in a moment, but the first thing that you need to do is to have gratitude. Being grateful is a must, and it needs to be first on your list. Think of gratitude as the fuel that powers my vehicle, which is also your vehicle to success. No gratitude, no fuel. So begin with gratitude. The next step is to be positive and happy. A part of the law of attraction is like attracts like. In other words, negative attracts negative. Of course, you do not want that. To attract positive and happy is why you want to be positive and happy.
But I am not always happy and I am not always positive.
Perhaps you have heard that in order to be excited, we begin by acting excited. The same applies to being positive and being happy. Next, we are going to talk about what you want. This part is exciting, amazing, wonderful. Before we get to this next step, please wait just a moment. I want you to take a step back. Notice that what you want is the third step. It is not the first step for a reason. If gratitude is the fuel that your success vehicle needs, positivity and being happy are like the oil and maintenance that your success vehicle requires. Most people that discover the law of attraction focus on what they want. That is a good thing, and it is next. Just remember that you do not want to neglect steps 1 and 2. Number 3 is deciding what you want. What is it that you want to attract? Your possibilities are virtually limitless. Some of the things that most people want are having a high-paying job, being wealthy, being healthy, living longer, looking better, losing weight, toning their bodies, spending more time with family, learning new things, being safe, having a nice vehicle, having a nice home, owning their own home, going back to school, and so on. What do you want to attract? This is an important part of the attraction process, so give this some thought and begin your list. Your list is not a wish list or a dream list. Please do not think of it as such. Think of it like a grocery list. You are creating a list of things that you want or need and that you are going to have. Allow me to repeat. You are creating a list of things that you want or need and that you are going to have. As you have already guessed, your list must be exact, it must be precise. So exact and so precise that you will have no problem seeing what you want, seeing exactly what you want, in your mind's eye. When you know exactly what you want, it makes my job easier and faster. So let me help to make your job of figuring out exactly what you want easier and faster for you. Allow me to share a quick example. Let's say you want an expensive pair of running shoes, better yet, let's say you want an expensive running ensemble, expensive shoes and all. As you know, I need to know exactly what you want, which includes details such as brand, make, size and color. Take the time to gather those details. Take the time to be able to see precisely what you want. This visualization is an important part of my being able to help you to attract what you want. And the next step will help you and I to manifest that which we want to attract. Step 4 is to see yourself as if you are already in possession of whatever you want to attract. See yourself as if you already have what you need or desire. The law of attraction may seem to be magical, but it is not. Just as gravity has the power of attraction, so do you. I remind you that I am already doing my best to help you to manifest what you want or desire. Use what you have just learned to give me direction, specificity, and power. So I can help you to learn and exercise the power of attraction and manifestation. This brings us to your bonus. Your bonus is a free ebook that will make getting started easier. You will find a link below. No email is needed, it is really free, so be sure to grab a copy. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also share and comment. Thank you. If you are interested in making money from the comfort of your home, without spending any money, I invite you to join this channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you will know whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching, it is our pleasure to provide you with quality content, we appreciate you. Watch this video next, it was chosen specifically for you by YouTube, enjoy.